Hi everybody, I am Anchan Tech and I'm going to do a video from remote. See? Windows 10, Windows Server 2016 Technical Preview version 3. Can't tell the difference because it's the same desktop. Today's video I'm going to install Exchange Server 2016. Now, I'll go straight to the folder. So it's just finding it, right? Right here, see? This is Exchange Server 2016. Before you start installing it, the prerequisite will be this software here called Unified Communications Runtime Setup. We're going to install that first before I do Exchange Server. This is actually a prerequisite. So before you start installing Exchange Server, we're going to install this first. Well, now it's installed. We can now install Exchange Server 2016. So I'm going to do a step-by-step guide how to install Exchange Server. I've got my folder here, Exchange Server. Now you download it. I've got mine extracted, as you see. So, Exchange Server, so I'll create a folder called Exchange Server 2016. I'm going to Setup. Wait for it. Okay, to update, no, not at the moment. Maybe next time, but I'm just doing a demonstration video of installing Microsoft Exchange Server 2016. I'll click on Next. Let me close that folder. Shouldn't take long as I'm running installed directly from the hard drive. It's now initializing now. Right. It's got introduction, so and so, update safe. You can read about it, read about the languages. You can read about the deployment assistant. But on the introduction screen, we're going to click on Next. Talks about the license agreement, you know. There's a license agreement. I'm going to press accept because I'm going to accept the terms and press Next. Actually, I'm going to manual configure it. Yeah, I'm going to manually configure it. I can decide what I want though. That's why. So I decide what to install. Okay, Mel. What about this? Okay. Okay, looks like I can't have all actually. Gotta have either. I'll just find out. Automatic installs server roles and features that are required to install. Okay, that's a good idea. Some features that's required to install, we have to add it to the shopping list. It's in the server manager section. Let's click on next. Got plenty of hard drive space. It's on a solid state. About 9 gigs. This is fine. Click on next. First organization. Nah, I'll stick with first organization. I can always rename it, but I'll click first organization. I'll click on next. You can name it how you want to name it. Memory scan protects from thing. I'll press no because I'm going to keep it on. I don't disable it. I want to keep it on, so put no. Let's go next. Now it's going through the checks. If I meet the criteria. If not, then I have to go back and install some features. If I meet the criteria, I can proceed. Let's find out. Oh! Looks like I got to, well, reboot because I think I installed the things. I'll go try again. Alright then. Okay. I have to pause the video for about a few minutes so I can restart the PC and do some updates. Now we're back to here now, and now after updates, back to here, we can finally see, we can now pass the test. See? There's all these warnings and stuff like that. Right, we can now continue on now with the installation. I'm going to fast forward the video to speed up the process. after installation, unfortunately it's stuck at 72%. So I have to cancel it. Well, I didn't cancel installation, but actually I have to close it without finishing installation. That's the bad news, but the good news is it installed successfully somehow, which it did. I have to log out as administrator and log myself as Andrew, which is good actually. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a good tour of the Exchange server. So I'm going to Apps, Microsoft Exchange Server 2016. We've gone to Exchange Admin Center. This is on Microsoft Edge. See, Edge. And this security certificate forms, but a security certificate, so I'm going to ignore it and just go to a page. I'm going to log myself as administrator. And my password too. I'm going to do a quick tour on this. So I can show you what it's like with this Exchange 2016 version. It looks the same as 2013 actually, by the way. But a bit more actually, but it's the first time I'm using this actually, so I'm just do a quick look around. So you got Outlook on the web, archiving, OWA, active synchronize, that's mobile devices. That's the mailbox, this is me. I can add another one. Oh. Existing user. Let me buzz existing user. No, this is not going to be easy, innit? Okay, me. What's this? Okay. And edit is it? Mailbox usage. Sorry, just a bit of trouble, so I can re-log in again. Okay. Don't know what happened there. Mailbox usage and long-term mailbox. Yes, I haven't logged in yet. Content info. Let me go back again. So I'll set to 2 gigs of usage. And nothing in here. I can add one. Example .org.uk, or I can put, let's say, at co.uk as alias. Features. Member of a group. Mail tip. And can delegate users. Send that on behalf of. You can create groups, distribution groups, secure groups, and dynamic. Secure groups means like permissions, for example, folder permissions or certain specific permissions. And distribution is distribution. Resources, room mailbox, equipment. When you book a room, you go to certain rooms, same to calendars. Usually the corporate environments that use this environment. External contacts. So you got someone outside the organization. You could be Yahoo or Google or Hotmail. Or some other organizations. Could be support group from third party. Your mail list. Shared mailbox. You can migrate. You've got Office 365 here. If you click on it, so if you merge something together, I'm just going to wait for it. Okay, nothing's coming up. It's all protected at the moment. Permissions. They have different specific roles. You have user roles, Outlook web apps, compliant management. You can audit your mailbox, write reports, data loss, retention, tags, rules. Organization. You can have Federation Trust to link to other servers, add-ins, address lists. You also have a malware filter, which is important. You don't do it for like junk emails. You have mail flow, reports. You can browse message sent. I set the domains. That one's down here. I can have other domains. I can add a domain. Address policies. Receive connectors. Share connectors. And you have mobile policies and mailbox policies. Basically, that is sometimes you want to link your mobile phone to a mailbox. For example, I want to add my organization email to my phone. You can check your emails from your mobile phone. Each user has their device model. So, for example, if I want to add my email address to my phone, this will show up. I can allow it, I can block it, I can rule, I can refresh it. In some cases, there's a remove policy, you can kick them off. There's one called remote wipe. So just in case you use a phone, you can wipe your phone if you lose it. Remote wipe. Emergency purposes. Public folders. You can find dial plans and gateways. I'm going to know about more of that. And there's a server right here. You have a database, a very basic group, virtual directories. So I've got to configure my URL. So I've got to make one up. I might just change it. So I have an internal and external one, so when you go outside, so when you someone access to webmail from outside the domain, that's the external URL address. And the certificate has to be validated. That way it's legit. So I don't get these certificate errors. It looks like a trial version. Now let me enter product key. Mind you, once I'm typing, it's going to be very blur. In fact, you don't see it. You don't see my actual SU number. Well, it looks like it's been validated. And make sure you try and see my SU number. I've blocked it so you can't see it. So I blurred it. So you'll never know what it is anyway. And don't write comments saying you waste your license. Guess what? If I reinstall it again, I can type in again, and it'll work again. You can make it a hybrid, so I can link with Office 365 and add more domains. And the tools. It's just a quick demo look. Let me log out anyway, log back in, since I activated the license. Ignore that. Once I get my certificate validated, then you won't see that certificate errors anymore. Okay, let's go to servers again. And look, it's licensed. It's licensed. There you go. Authentic license. Let me log out. Thanks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour, watching a long installation of the Exchange server and prerequisites, and the last tour of how Exchange 2016 works. Feel free to comment and please let me know what you think of the installation and the quick tour of the Exchange server. Please follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, and I hope this video is very informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.